FIOS 1 News Now.
Good evening. Okay, Joe, thank you. In the wake of the shooting in Florida, we have an expert from a Long Island company specializing in security for large public spaces, such as schools and mass transportation facilities, on the phone to discuss that violence.
Lee Mandel is the head of IntraLogic Solutions. It's a security firm based in Massapequa that has a satellite office in Fort Lauderdale. Lee, thank you so much for joining us this evening. I have to ask you, do you think that perhaps more security at the airport would have prevented something like this?
Well, I don't think it's a matter of the security. I was actually in Florida this week at our Florida office discussing security in active shooter situations. And I have to say, I feel they did have good security in place. It looks like they followed all the policies and the procedures. I'm actually, right now as we speak, by Miami International Airport, where we tremendously see a huge increase in security. Outside the airport, there's, armed guards, there's officers all over the place. But I do think they had a strong sense of security in place. We're not sure about the screening process at this point in time. That's what we keep on talking about.
Lee, one of the things they are saying is that he may have checked that weapon in his baggage, picked it up at the baggage carousel, reloaded or loaded the weapon, and then fired. Any way to protect against that sort of thing?
I think it comes down to a screening process again, and I think that's where we're going to hear a lot more in the coming hours from the TSA as the investigation unfolds, because we're trying to figure out how this person got onto a plane, checked the bag, and what the process is for checked bags versus bags that we go through when we were carrying on bags. Is it a different process? How is every bag checked? Is every bag checked? And how did they potentially miss this?
All right. Lee Mandel, thank you so much for taking the time to join us. We appreciate it.